Hello and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In today's video we're going to take a look at the Moonside Lamp One. This is a versatile USB powered RGB lamp that stands out thanks to its mesmerising preset scenes, vibrancy and sleek design. The Moonside One is a smart lamp that works either via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi with the dedicated Moonside app and 120 individually addressable LEDs. As well as this, it also features sound and motion reactive syncing with the ability to connect with services such as Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit and many more as well. This lamp has a price tag of $99, currently on sale for $73 or £73 down to £54 with an additional 10% off available when using code SCORPIO, which is all uppercase and can be claimed at checkout. So let's find out if this is the ideal lighting solution for you. So inside the box we have the lamp itself, a power adapter to USB, although when you order you will get your local socket type, and also a braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable. We also have a card with a QR code to access the setup guide, which is a great way to save on any unnecessary paper usage. Taking a closer look at the lamp itself, we can see that there's a power button on the base with a USB Type C input just on the side. The lamp does have a noticeable seam running down through the centre, but as you'll see later, this isn't visible when in use. The Moonside Lamp One is extremely lightweight and does feel like it's made fairly cheaply, but this does not take away from the performance at all. Another quick note, the included USB cable did seem a little on the short side, but this might not be an issue for a lot of you, and if it is, longer cables are extremely cheap to pick up. So when connected to the power, the Moonside Lamp One immediately starts showcasing its stunning capabilities thanks to the 120 individual LEDs creating a psychedelic lighting display. As many of you know, I've tested a lot of lighting products in my time creating tech videos, but I have never seen any lights create patterns like the Moonside Lamp One. Not only are the colours bright and vibrant, but they also diffuse together incredibly well to make for a smooth yet vivid lighting display, and as you'll see shortly, there are countless presets to choose from. Pairing the phone to the lamp was also one of the best pairing experiences that I've ever had. I simply scanned the QR code, which took me straight to the online guide, and from there downloaded the application either from the Android or iOS app stores. Once the app has finished downloading, simply load it up and tap add new device, and so long as your lamp is already plugged in, it will connect within just a few moments, which is shown on screen by a green tick. Once paired, you have access to all the various preset scenes, modes and customization options. You of course have your standard brightness options available, then you also have a colour wheel if you want to opt for static colours over the preset scenes. As I mentioned earlier, these colours are very accurate and vibrant. Each colour can be adjusted exactly how you want it to be, and I was especially impressed with how white the lamp can be, as some other lamps produce a yellowish glow instead. But this means this lamp is very versatile and can be used for more than just a bedside table lamp, but instead can be made to fit any mood or room theme. There is also a nice selection of static presets as well, such as bedtime, relaxing, energetic and focusing if you want to use it more as a normal lamp. However, let's move on now to the main event, and this is where the Moonside Lamp One really sets itself apart from other lamp brands. You can cycle through absolutely loads of preset scenes and they all offer something unique and appealing, so you are never going to run out of awesome scenes to try out. A couple of my favourites include Blue Raspberry and also Nightfire. Nightfire especially gives off this awesome candlelight effect, which is going to be really nice for the winter months, but as I said before, there is really something here for everyone. As I stated at the start of the video, the lamp also features music syncing, however this was ever so slightly disappointing as it only seems to react to taps on the surface the lamp is on rather than the music itself. It's still a cool feature, but definitely not one of the strong points of this particular lamp. Additionally, there is a pixel creation zone within the app. Here you can pick a colour for each of the 120 individual LEDs to create your own static scenes. You can create some unique and beautiful designs here, but right now there's no way to save your own scenes or browse other users' scenes, but hopefully this will be introduced in the future. The thing I love the most about this lamp is the fact that the design is illuminated from all angles including the top to create this beautiful and seamless glowing effect that makes this lamp stand out from others. And whilst this is definitely not the cheapest RGB lamp out there, my experience with the Moonside Lamp One has been very good and I'll definitely be able to recommend it to you if you like what you see. The plethora of excellent animated scenes make this lamp shine brighter than its competitors, and it would look at home in any gaming setup or on your bedside table. As always, you can check out the product via the link in the description and drop a comment if you have any questions and I'd be happy to answer them for you. I'd love for you all to join my Discord server Scorpio's Den via the link in the description to talk about all things tech and gaming, as well as to participate in future tech giveaways. Thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please consider liking and subscribing as we head towards 50,000 subscribers. I hope to see you all in the next video. Goodbye.